All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Microsoft laid the foundation for its proposed India Development Center (IDC) campus in Noida on Saturday, bolstering its vision for AI, cloud, and security research capabilities in India. The proposed campus in Noida's Sector 145 will cover 15 acres with a built-up area of 1.1 million square feet. Microsoft said this facility, once ready, will play a key role in strengthening India's AI capabilities, fostering digital innovation, and supporting engineering talent. Rajiv Kumar, Managing Director and President of Microsoft IDC, highlighted Microsoft's commitment to AI innovation, saying, "This proposed facility will attract top talent from India and the world and empower them to innovate across AI, cloud, and security that will positively impact billions of lives across the planet." He acknowledged the support from the government of Uttar Pradesh and Noida Authority in facilitating the project, with Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath gracing the occasion. Hyderabad and Bengaluru have been instrumental in Microsoft IDC's journey. We already have a strong presence in Noida, and the proposed campus adds a new dimension to our expanding footprint. It will help us double down on our capabilities in AI, cloud, and security and make the rapidly growing tech hub in North India stronger, Kumar told AIM in an exclusive email conversation. He added that AI applications in India go beyond automation and extend to healthcare, education, agriculture, and manufacturing. AI in India isn't just about automation, it's about making healthcare more accessible, education more personalized, agriculture more efficient, and public infrastructure stronger, he said. Investment in India's digital growth. Microsoft has committed a $3 billion investment in AI and cloud capacity in India. The company aims to equip 10 million Indians with AI skills by 2030, having already trained over 860,000 youth. India is at an inflection point in its digital journey, and AI is the next big accelerator, Kumar said. That's why, in January, we announced a $3 billion investment in AI and cloud capacity, because India isn't just adopting AI, it's actively shaping the AI revolution. Collaborations with startups and academia. Kumar said that Microsoft is working with IndiaAI to establish AI centers of excellence and AI productivity labs across 10 states to train educators. The company is also supporting Indian startups through its Founders Hub program and partnering with SaaSBoomi to scale the country's SaaS ecosystem. Microsoft announced it is partnering with IndiaAI to skill 500,000 individuals, establish AI centers of excellence, and collaborate with startups to turn bold ideas into reality. This isn't just about funding or technology access, it's about mentorship, community, and creating the right environment for innovation to thrive, Kumar said.